Good morning. I wanted to share with you a quick overview of the subject-verb agreement practice module in No Red Ink. You will see this on your dashboard. This is what you are looking for. And it is actually a series of 8 modules. So as I scroll down, you're going to see 8 little sections. It actually might be longer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, we have 8. Okay. Each one will be locked until you finish the mastery path before. So let's look at a few examples from the first section. And I'm going to jump right into practice. If you've never encountered subject-verb agreement and you have no idea what that means, I will also be inserting a video from Khan Academy so that you have multiple explanations for this concept. All right, so click on practice and just follow along while I explain what you're doing. In this first module, you are selecting the part of the subject that agrees with the bold verb. So they are going to highlight the verb in the sentence, and you are attempting to identify essentially what the subject is. As you move through the module, you'll be understanding why that's important, and really what you're looking for is whether the subject is singular or plural, even in very confusing instances, such as with indefinite pronouns and with count or non-count subjects, but that will all come in time. So we're building on simple successes. All you need to do is identify which of these two ideas is the actual subject. Now, I will say, if you know what a prepositional phrase is, you want to throw those out immediately. So of fry cooks is describing the type of committee. If it's a description or a modifier, that will never be the actual subject. In this case, the subject of the sentence is the committee. Here's a good litmus test for distinguishing what the actual subject is. Ask yourself which part of that sentence you can throw away and still have the sentence make sense. So, the committee believes Draco Malfoy's burger recipe is better than mine. I can throw away the of fry cooks and the sentence still stands, so I know that the committee is actually the subject. If I try the other way, if I try to throw away the committee and leave of fry cooks, listen to what happens to the sentence. Of fry cooks believes Draco Malfoy's burger recipe is better than mine. That makes no sense whatsoever. So we know the subject is actually the part that we have to keep, and that is the committee. I will talk you through 2 more examples. All right, in this section, you are selecting the part of the subject that agrees with the bold verb, same concept that we just covered. The class of actors performs scenes from Lucius Malfoy's favorite movie. So ask yourself which part of this complete subject can you throw away? Can you throw away the class? Let's see. Of actors performs scenes from Lucius Malfoy's favorite movie. That makes no sense whatsoever. Can we throw away of actors? The class performs scenes from Lucius Malfoy's favorite movie. That sounds much better to me, so you know the actual subject of this sentence is the class. And we'll have one more in the same pattern. The group of preschoolers wants to play tug of war against Gregory Goyle. Take a moment and walk yourself through those 2 questions. Which part of that complete subject is absolutely necessary to the sentence? That is the part of the subject that you want to identify. The group wants to play tug of war against Gregory Goyle. That sounds pretty good to me. Let's try it the other way. Of preschoolers wants to play tug of war against Gregory Goyle. We know it cannot be of preschoolers because that makes no sense whatsoever. So you're looking for the group. All right, go ahead and continue that module, and when you are done with that fourth example, we will be done with grammar for today. Thank you.